Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Learndash versus Memberpress video, and which one would be the most better option for you? Learndash is an LMS plugin for WordPress, and it lets you create and sell your own courses. And then you see that you can set up and install in minutes. You can create courses, you can set one-time prices, recurring subscriptions, things like that. You get access to advanced features, you can build quizzes, certifications, all these things are available. Now, for Memberpress, it is also a membership a plugin, but it lets you protect your content and lets like subscribers see it. It is also by WordPress and it has multiple levels of membership, things like that, and you'll see all of these features. Now, which one is better? If you only want to create a dedicated online course, then Learndash is a better option because you'll get access to everything and things like that. But if you only want to offer memberships where courses are available within the membership plan, then Memberpress is your way to go. In another sense, if you want to create a course website, Learndash. But if you want to create multiple levels of memberships and have courses inside them, then Memberpress. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.